Clients need someone else to be the authority, and you are the authority on radio. You must believe in your station and believe it can help the client and that you are doing him a disservice by not selling him. People are afraid to make decisions, and they will put it off. All salespeople in all fields must believe that they are doing their client a disservice by not selling them so that they will close the sale. You must believe this to be a high biller. The insurance agent doesn't sell a client a health insurance policy. The client gets sick and has high medical bills that he can't pay. Salesperson's fault. The health club salesperson who doesn't close the overweight lady. 6 months later, she's 10 pounds fatter and more miserable. Salesperson's fault. The stockbroker doesn't sell the client a great stock. It goes up in value and the client doesn't gain the extra money. Salesperson's fault. The real estate lady doesn't close the young couple on the house they want and can't afford. The price increases higher than they can afford in the next year. They can't buy the house. Salesperson's fault. The radio salesperson doesn't convince the client to advertise to reach their station's audience. 6 months later, business is slow, or worse, they go out of business due to lack of customers. Salesperson's fault. Remember, people are afraid to make a decision even when they want what you're selling them. You must direct them in the direction to buy and give them a gentle push or they won't buy. Notice after they buy, they relax. Clients that have been cold and aloof suddenly become your friends and totally change their personality after they sign the contract. So if they say to you, "Let me think about it," and you say okay, now they have anxiety that they wouldn't have had they signed. So do them a favor and sell them.